Hi Zesty, sorry my face is not on the camera, but you know what? I'm a mess. My life's a mess. I'm living in the living room. I'm not in my room yet. But I really want to get back to mukbanging. Gotta have my Waterloo. Remember, now I found new flavors too. Look at that. Italian ice. Okay, well I'm really excited because I am eating crawfish balls that obviously I made and dipping sauce that I made too. Let's go. Oh, oh, that's man. Zesties, that is so good. And it's holding up, that's all I care. My friend was saying, oh, it's a fail because some cheese fell out. For me, the only fail with these balls is if they don't hold up. I can't eat them like with my hand like this. Mmm. 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 Man, I wish you guys could taste this. Like, actually, these were crawfish and crab. There was crawfish and crab in here. Mmm. Man, I wish you guys could taste this. This is so freaking good. This is one of those situations where I'm almost laughing at how good I cook. My friend missed out too. I almost got him to like review these as well, but he left, so I'm eating them all. Mmm. And look at that. Cheese pull to the last bite. And these are actually spicy. These are actually like 6 to 7 spicy, like really spicy. I was hating prematurely on Winn-Dixie. The Winn, even though this area has nothing, the Winn-Dixie had a somewhat decent, just look at that, Zesties. Had a somewhat decent selection of Southern food. They had boudin. Can't wait to do some boudin balls. But like, the Winn-Dixie's getting replaced with a, I need to do a thumbnail. The Winn-Dixie's getting replaced with a Aldi, which I'm kind of upset about because although I'm not a huge fan of Winn-Dixie, to me Aldi is like really boring. I know a lot of people like it, but and this is Carolina Reaper cheese. And it's actually like so spicy. I was surprised when I got it because, you know, they always say it's spicy and it's never spicy. I was surprised when I bit into that first bite of cheese. I mean, it was spicy, spicy. Now, this is a recipe video you guys are gonna want to watch. This is a recipe video you guys are absolutely gonna want to watch. You guys, it's so good. Like, I honestly think this is a 10 out of 10. I can't even really... I'm looking for a complaint. You know, I'm very critical of my food. Usually I'll be like, oh, I didn't like this or that. Nope, I like everything. I'm kind of upset now that my friend couldn't review it. I want to get another video of him saying my food's 10 out of 10. And you know, when I first started cooking, he was a big hater of my food. Zesties, that is so good. Because he's very boring. He's like a steak eater. You know. Oh, a lot of it is because I like to eat tofu. Probably not going to be eating much tofu now because both where I'm living and who I'm living with, but... Woo. Even for me, that's a little spicy. Man, that sauce I made is 10 out of 10 though, really. I've honestly thought about that is spicy. Woo! Ooh, excuse me. I've even thought about doing like Uber Eats, like selling food on Uber Eats, because this is like a very tourist vacation area. I mean, no, it is a vacation area. And there's really not much out here as far as like restaurants and things like that go. So I think if I was like the only one, I mean, this is the best food in the beach area of Pinellas County. I don't think there's anyone in this area. Oh, the only people that are cooking better than me are at Bubba Gump. Bubba Gump's the best food in Tampa Bay area. I'm not impressed by Tampa food at all. I used to live in Broward County. But yeah, if I were like selling this on Uber Eats, I bet I would just be. And I just would like to monetize my food somehow, you know, because this is what I really like doing. And I would like to find a way to make money off of it. Guess what? Guess what happens, Esties? Okay, so on my birthday, I made that blackened fish with crawfish sauce. And like, everyone in this area knows each other. They're all very friendly. Everyone in Pinellas County is very friendly. Like, I've only, the people here are insanely friendly. Like, I don't really know why, but they just are. But Mm. Woo! In this area on the beach, like, everyone knows each other. So, oof. We were walking to the ice cream place the day of my birthday. My friend started talking to these people, and I immediately realized that they were owners of a restaurant down the street. And I was like, I show my food off to like everybody I can, you know, so obviously I'm gonna show it to the restaurant owners. I'm like, "Good, you guys want to see what I cooked today?" Let me just get this before it gets gross. But I was like, yeah, you want to see the food that I cooked today? And they were like, sure. And so I showed them a picture of the food. And they were like, oh, we're hiring chefs. Like, you want to be our chef? I was like, dang. I guess my food is good if I show it to restaurant owners and they want to hire me as their chef. They I told them, I was like, you know, I only do this as a hobby. I've never cooked like in a restaurant before. They were like, oh, whatever, we'll teach you, come on. I'm not sure that I would do it though, because I feel that it would pay less than my job, so I don't know if I really want to do it, but maybe I would just for the experience, you know, just because I really like cooking and it's like what makes me happy. And trust me, there are very few things that make me happy nowadays. Actually, you want to know what? And I can't even believe that I'm saying this, but like, the only one thing that I would change about this is I made it a little too spicy. The spice is kind of teetering on the edge of what would be considered enjoyable. Woo! But hey, I needed some spice because that was something I was saying too. That I haven't eaten anything spicy since I moved to Pinellas. Woof. Spicy. It's the kind of spice too where it's like, I don't know how to describe it. I like my spice to hit in a certain area. This is hitting in the wrong area. It's hitting a little, like, not in the area I want it to hit. See, it exploded a little bit. Ooh, Lord. See, it's so spicy, I'm kind of like reluctant to eat this final one. Where's the cheese ball? Man, this was so good, and I love cooking so much. Mmm. And I love Waterloo so much. And I've actually been finding new flavors over here. I tried Italian ice, like ruby grapefruit or ruby something. I think what made it so spicy is that cheese, that Carolina Reaper cheese from Winn-Dixie. See, I was hating too soon on Winn-Dixie. And now they're getting replaced with Aldi, so now there's really going to be nothing on the beach. Whew. Woo! I'm not gonna lie, Zesties, this is that smack you in the face with the flavor and the spice and the everything. Woo! I'm almost basking. Anyone who watches my old videos knows that sometimes when it's really good, I bask. You know what? No, I am basking. I am basking. My whole tongue, face, it's all lit up right now. Woo. Time for the final bite. And I have to clean up, Zesties. Dang, I'm sad it's over. Bye, Zesties.